Well, we're here in the kitchen, and I commented to a video that Gary Pilarchik over at the Rustic Garden channel. He had a video there showing how to grow the largest beefsteak tomatoes, and he weighed a Cherokee Purple Tomato, and I believe it was 1.12 ounces. I told him in my comment, when I picked my largest Cherokee Purple, I'd weigh it, see if we gave him a run for his money. So let's see what we got here. Right there's our largest. And then over here we've got our scale, and we're going to zero it out. This is a market scale. It's not digital like his. We're going to go back over here and get this Cherokee Purple. We're going to put it on it and just see what this one weighs. Okay. Go down here. Well, looks like Gary got us beat. This particular Cherokee Purple's only 13 and a little over 13 and a half ounces. Still a fine looking tomato though. So Gary Pilarchik over at the Rustic Garden channel got us beat. But there's one thing I think I got Gary beat on, and that's growing some of the finest, longest cucumbers. But look at that thing. That cucumber, which is a burpless beauty, comes in there at a little bit around 1 pound 1 ounce. And we'll head on over here, grab a tape measure and measure it, see how long it is. So hang on. Okay, went and found this tape measure. Put it up here and see what this thing measures. Right at about 11 and a half inches. 1 pound 1 ounce. I don't know what the biggest one Gary drew. Maybe next year I'll challenge him to cucumber growing contest. Maybe even the largest tomato contest. We just have to wait and see. It'll be interesting. Appreciate y'all coming and sitting with us a while. Y'all take care out there. Stay safe. God bless you. And if you want some good information on gardening, make sure you run on over there and check out Gary Pilarchik on the Rustic Garden channel. He knows what he's doing. And we'll be seeing you. Y'all take care. Bye.